down here, and nobody would left down here when gunshot a bus. So we need to know now to get up like yesterday and come together, pound the drawing board, and get the sponsors them, and get everyone who no forget, and put on board a member in this year show ya. Let me tell you this, the country have to work with it. The artists them have to come work. The bandsman them have to come work. The PA system people them have to come work. The generator people them have to come work. The ambulance people them have to come work. The fire people them have to come work. Because this year show ya, at the show where make Jamaica proud of themselves for over 31 years have not fired a shot on one another because of no political affection nor political warfare. Them deserve it. Mr. Andrew Holness and whosoever Peter Phillips are who is there in the People's National Party and in the Jamaica Labour Party, please